a green color. I draw a capital letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint red color. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli. C for cow. D for dress. E for eagle. F for frog. G for gorilla. Yellow color. H for hearts. I for igloo. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nest. Blue color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for coin. R for rainbow. S for Santa Claus. T for tiger. Light green color. U for unicorn. V for violin.
We're singing all together. Yeah, let's see a list of words that start with the letter A. Apple,
W for window.
angel, address, animal, answer. April, autumn, ambulance, airplane, arrow.
X for X-ray.
Alligator, ant, amazing,
Y for yo-yo.
art, apple, angel, address, animal, answer, April,
And Z for zebra.
airplane, arrow, alligator.
Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.